Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Sage Payroll. So for those people who do not know Sage Payroll is a business company which is in UK, which helps business person to pay their staff. Basically, if you enter amount and you enter to whom you want to pay, then basically on that date, it pays their staff. And that's just one function of it. There's a lot of function of it. So if you guys need to know more about it, you can always visit Sage, website's official page to know more about it. All right. So let's get into the video topic, which is how you guys can log in into Sage Payroll. So it's pretty simple to log in into Sage Payroll. Just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Sage Payroll login. After you search for Sage Payroll, you want to click on this one over here where it says Sage 1 Payroll Login. You want to click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website where you guys can log in into it. Alright, now you need to wait for some time until this, page comes up. And after this thing pops up over here, you need to enter the email address of your Sage Payroll account. After entering the email address, you want to enter the password. Now remember, you need to enter the correct email and correct password to log in into your Sage Payroll. If it is incorrect, then whenever you click on login, it's not going to log in into your account. But if the email address and password you enter over here is correct, then basically once you click on login, you should be able to log in into your Sage Payroll account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your Sage Payroll account. And if you guys have forgotten your Sage Payroll account's password, then basically you can click on where it says forgot password, and basically you can recover your password of your Sage Payroll account. Alright, so that's basically how you guys can recover your Sage Payroll's password as well. And if you guys want to sign up into it, you can click on this button over here at the top right corner where it says sign up to sign up into Sage Payroll. So these are the way on how you guys can sign up into Sage Payroll and log in into Sage Payroll account and recover your Sage Payroll's password if you forgot it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye until then, and stay tuned on our channel One to Step until our new video comes up. It's me, Kevin, signing out. Bye bye and have a nice day.